how to auto-publish from Instagram directly to Pinterest without any other tool or app. Pinterest allows you to connect your Instagram account. So whenever you post something on Instagram, Pinterest will publish it on a specific board on your Pinterest account. To do that, you first need both accounts in place. Then go to Pinterest. On the top right, you have your avatar. Click it and find Claim External Accounts. When you are in Setting, you can also find it in the Claim Account tab. At the top, you have the option to connect your Instagram profile. Click Claim, then you need to log in to Instagram and confirm the connection. Pinterest will create a board for you to post social posts. You can change the name of the board later, or change the board if you want it to be on a board you already have in your account. After you connect to your account, you have the option to choose if you want to post all the posts on this new board, and you can select how many days in the past. It is up to 1 year. Or you can choose none if you want it to be only new posts from now on. It will only pin posts from Instagram, not Reels or Story. If you want to change the board, go back to the same page of the claimed account. Click the board name and select a different one or create a new board. If for some reason you want to stop posting for a while but don't want to remove the connection, you can click the button to stop sharing the Instagram posts. If you want to completely stop the connection, then click Unclaim. If you want to change the board name you got from Pinterest, click on your account, go to the Boards tab, and find the social board you got from Pinterest. Click on it, and then on the right side, you have 3 dots. Click it and find the Edit Board. Now you can change the board name and add a description to it. If someone gets to this board, they can see the name and the description. Watch this video next. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.